This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable fry and snack cups, specifically these fantastic biotech paper fry and snack cups. Now, there's a couple of different sizes and styles. We have the round incline, which is fantastic not only for loading up foods, but showing them off. That's available in the 12 and 16 ounce in either white or craft. And there's the regular round cups that feature a great fold down design that allows you to actually enclose those foods and is really simple just to press down in place and keep everything secure. So perfect for takeout orders where you don't want those fries to end up all over the bag. It comes in a 16 or 20 ounce size and both in white and craft. Then in the kind of sleeve style containers, there's 3 sizes. We have the 4-inch, 4.5, and 4 3/4, giving you small, medium, and large size containers to hold all those fried goods. And they also come in both white and craft. And they're incredibly easy to pop open when you're ready to use them and just slide those foods down inside, making these fantastic options, especially for busy food establishments like maybe a food truck or a restaurant where space is tight. The round ones are easy enough to stack inside and come in great little space-saving sleeves, and the others come flat, so they're a great thing to have on hand that you can easily keep tucked away and ready to use, pop up on demand. So they're made of a heavy-duty paper that's going to hold foods while keeping your customers' hands clean. So they've got a grease-proof lining that's ideal for serving those oily fried foods. The stackable design is great for storage and efficiency in your kitchen. And they've got those easy to fill openings. You've got a wide opening on any option you choose, making it easy to have a quick service and keep things moving. They're disposable, which makes cleanup really quick and easy as they are to use. And they're great for restaurants, food trucks, fast food establishments, or even eat-in or to-go orders. They're great for fries, chicken tenders, onion rings, mozzarella sticks, anything like churros, or even making little charcuterie cups. They're great for snack foods and just anything you can think of that you need to keep contained, whether it's guests who are going to be walking around at a fair and taking things from your food stall, or if you're packing up orders from your restaurant or food truck.